Hey guys, let me have a break from the Arduino My Music Make project. And for now, I simply enjoy listening to Celine. This is a pure fat Ultra HD Class D power amplifier. It's one of the derivative of the Arduino project using the XMI engine. This is basically based on a chipset that TPA3255 in its raw versions. And also, I'm keep building other Arduino shields like digital tone control shields and a small Class D power amplifier. Well, this channel is basically about Class D power amplifier. But for this video, I would like to share to our DIY friends about the Class L power amplifier. Probably you might hear Class L amplifier before, but you don't have that kind of solid grasp on it. And lucky for me that I am here in a communist country, China, with all the opportunities and leverage to see top-notch technology in audio, in Internet of Things, EV car, and so on and so forth. And let's take a look at the ins and out of a Chinese company called ShangTsing, and they are demoing the Class L power amplifier. Rather, I would say it's a L class power amplifier. This was the high-end Guangzhou show in November 25, 2024. This is my first video of the show with my highest interest to know about the L class power amplifier. At the beginning, I'm just like a normal person, a self-proclaimed a Guangzhou high-end show media, and I'm going from room to room, take a look at what are those being demoed. I really feel disappointed because my favorite brand, the Macintosh, is not there. In 2023, I was there, and I have the chance to have a touch on it, which is awesome. My first time to touch my favorite brand, Macintosh. And then I'm going to go from room to room, as I said, that until I met this company called the ShangTsing, wherein they are demoing the L class power amplifier. So let's see what they are talking about. Okay, let's me have some interview, a little bit of this. So you can probably tell me about your.
Hi, good morning, everyone. My name is Klaus Liu. Now I'm in the exhibition room of number 2 building 759. This room is the co product is this ShangTsing GS2 integrated amplifier. And this system from here is the sound aware D1 digital transport. I modified this one, adding a server Ethernet card. So go to the internet port deck. This is from Swiss, the merchant deck, and the Germany Muted Rev 10 SE 120, and I made a separated clock direct into the NADEC. And then this turn the digital signal to analog and direct inject to the integrated amplifier, GS2, ShangTsing. And the speaker, we call it compact. This one is the flagship of their flow standing speaker.
We good?
Thanks.
Oh, thank you very much for that introduction of what you are showing here.
Sorry about my
ShangTsing,
poor English.
no worry, ShangTsing from Shanghai, right?
Yeah,
and,
yeah. And this one is the CEO of the ShangTsing.
Oh, 你好，你好。
And the engineer of this integrated amplifier.
Oh, 很高兴认识你们。
Thank you. Thank you giving me this chance to show our new product.
This is our new invented
integration amplifier. This amplifier has a new technology called augmented damping. What does it mean? We use, compared to a traditional class AB amplifier, we use 5 times power, 5 times power to give the speaker an decelerate force. That makes the film stop very quickly. It means we can pull the speaker off. That's the amplifier with a very good control force.
You mean the damping?
The damping, the very stronger damping. It's additional damping.
Okay.
Okay, this makes the sounds the very clean sound. It's, you've never heard before.
What's the power of this amplifier?
The normal power we have 150 watt at 8 omegas. Yes.
Okay. Cool. That's pretty cool. That's pretty awesome. I mean, very interesting to understand about the damping factor of this. Probably I need to get their contact and then let's see how can I able to play around this just to verify about the damping factor actually. Very interesting about the damping factor. Yeah. So you are using class AB. You don't use class D.
It's called class L.
Class L.
Yes,
Oh,
it's
that's
totally different than the class A, B, class D, or class everyone.
And I heard about class L. Guys, have you ever heard about class L amplifier?
Yes.
Newly invented.
Newly invented.
I'd like to get in touch with you about. Can I scan your widget right now? I'm very much interested about class L.
Maybe you can
Show your code, QR code.
maybe you can add
Then
my
you can
QR code
direct
directly.
Yeah. So I'm not gonna miss the class L power amplifier, which is I'd never heard before. SIJKLML. Okay. There you go. Wow, that's it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let me
Okay.
get that one. Very
Strong bass. and
strong bass.
Very
Strong, very clean.
strong control.
Whew.
You can hear every punch.
Yeah, it's
It will not covered by others.
pretty awesome demonstration. Whoa. I love it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, I really love that one. I'm gonna get in touch with you. Thank you so much.
We can contact
Yeah,
later.
yeah, yeah, yeah. 谢谢，谢谢，谢谢。 Thanks you. I can't believe that one. Class L is a very good one for controlling the damping factor, which I get the widget just to make it sure that I'm not going to lose the contact for the Class L power amplifier. It's a very different from Class A, B, Class D, or Class G, or Class H. What do we have in here? So I'm ready to go inside right now with my badge. I'm going inside. No one is stopping me right now. Yeah, thank you, thank you.